a complete solution designed to enhance skin recovery after mild to moderate aesthetic treatments. The Advanced Recovery System takes the guesswork out of home care. It's ideal for very superficial to mid-depth peeling, microdermabrasion procedures, and exceptional with microneedle recovery and rejuvenation. It's serious skincare that can be used every day, and it's exceptional for every skin type. We designed it with the most innovative and synergistic combination of ingredients for rapid recovery and maximum results. With the Advanced Recovery System, expect more supple, elastic skin. Expect a more even skin tone across all Fitzpatrick types, and an improvement in the look of lines and wrinkles. It targets the most troublesome signs of aging and chronic sun damage. It starts with a gentle, soothing cleanser that's non-foaming and helps calm compromised skin. As a cream cleanser, it utilizes lightweight emollients and oils that cling to dirt, makeup, and grime instead of detergents that can disrupt the pH balance. Utilizing the most advanced peptide technology, Ageless Peptide Plus Serum and the P65 Dodec peptide inside, along with bakuchiol, combat hyperpigmentation, promotes an even tone complexion, and delivers pro-collagen benefits towards firmer, smoother-looking skin. Because no skincare routine is complete without sunscreen, Sun Protectant Ultralight is a universal broad-spectrum SPF with caffeine and hyaluronic acid to keep the skin hydrated and supple as it combats redness and damage from UV, infrared light, and blue light exposure. Learn more about our Advanced Recovery System at arcskincare.com or call today to talk to one of our skincare consultants. 1-800-689-0499.